Hey everyone, so I've created a code reuse compression library that I want to share with, well, you, the LabVIEW community. So I thought I'll document my process for doing that with VIPM. And I've split this process into several bite-sized chunks, starting with this video where I'm going to do the bare minimum lazy version of creating a working package, and then we can build up the awesomeness in subsequent videos and articles. I've already cloned my source code onto my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and open up VIPM. And then to create a brand new package, I'm going to click on the VI package builder icon in the top left and select create new. And here's the great thing, I only need to enter 3 pieces of information. The source directory, so this is where all of my LabVIEW code lives. Then the product name, I'm using zstandard compression, so zstd. Then my company name is JKI. And I'll click finish, and VIPM is going to create a working build spec for me. So I'm going to save that, and it's going to save as a .vipb file. And I don't need to do anything now, I'm just going to click build. And during the build process, it's going to find all of my dependencies and package everything for me. And so now that's complete, I could install, but I actually want to show you what it looks like on disk. It's just a single file that you can distribute to your colleagues. So now we have the package, let's click install. And VIPM is going to put all of the files in the correct locations for you and update all of your palettes. So no restarting LabVIEW is required typically. I could click show in palettes like you saw on the screen, but I actually want to show you what it looks like directly in LabVIEW. So I'll right click functions palette zstd and you can see all of my VIs have automatically appeared. And I'm going to test it out quickly using the main compression VI. And you can see this VI worked. It compressed down to, 13 megabytes from about 54. So it's working great, and there's so much more we can do to elevate that experience for developers, including our future selves, such as improving the palettes, reducing the overall package size, and even publishing on vipm.io, so you will get access to the package in your feeds. Okay, it's going to be great, and I'll see you in the next video.